Have you ever heard of a city built from the ground up, not just with bricks and mortar, but with a vision to reshape a nation's economy? A city designed to compete with global financial giants like Singapore, Dubai, and Hong Kong? Welcome to Gift City, India's ambitious answer to the future of global finance and technology. What exactly is this place that everyone's talking about? Gift City, which stands for Gujarat International Finance Tec-City, is more than just a collection of shiny skyscrapers. It's a specially designated zone, a smart city, and an international financial services center, or IFSC, all rolled into one. Think of it as a financial playground with its own set of rules, designed to make doing business easier, faster, and more profitable. For decades, a significant chunk of India's financial services market, we're talking billions of dollars in trading, financing, and investment, was happening outside of India. Indian companies were listing on foreign stock exchanges, and international investors found it complex to navigate the Indian market directly. Gift City was conceived to change that. The goal was simple but audacious: create a world-class financial hub right here in India to bring that business back home and attract new global players. So how does it work? At its core is the IFSC. This is the magic ingredient. The IFSC operates like a foreign territory within India, offering a business environment with globally benchmarked regulations, a favorable tax structure, and top-notch infrastructure. This means companies based in Gift City can transact in foreign currencies like the US dollar without the usual restrictions. It's like having a slice of Wall Street or the City of London right between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. But what makes it so attractive for businesses? Let's talk about the perks. First, the tax benefits are a huge draw. We're talking about significant exemptions on corporate tax, capital gains tax, and transaction taxes. For any business, big or small, that translates directly to a healthier bottom line. This isn't just a small discount. It's a game-changing incentive that makes it incredibly competitive on the global stage. Then there's the streamlined regulatory framework. In Gift City, you have a unified regulator, the IFSCA, which oversees all financial services. No more running around to different regulatory bodies. This single-window clearance system cuts through red tape, making the entire process of setting up and operating a business incredibly efficient. Time is money, and Gift City saves you a lot of both. Let's not forget the state-of-the-art infrastructure. This isn't your average business district. Gift City boasts a dedicated power grid to ensure uninterrupted electricity, an automated waste collection system that's both clean and efficient, and district cooling, which is far more energy-saving than individual AC units. It's a truly smart city, using technology to create a sustainable and high-quality living and working environment. The connectivity is world-class, with high-speed data networks essential for the split-second transactions of modern finance. So who's moving in? The list is growing every day. We have international banks, insurance companies, asset management firms, and even stock exchanges setting up shop. Major Indian and global players are establishing significant operations here. They're not just opening small offices. They're rebuilding entire teams to handle everything from international lending and capital markets to wealth management and aircraft leasing, a sector where Gift City is quickly becoming a major hub. It's also becoming a hotbed for fintech innovation. The supportive regulatory environment creates a sandbox where new financial technologies can be tested and developed. This is attracting a new generation of entrepreneurs and tech wizards who are building the future of finance, from blockchain applications to AI-driven trading platforms. The city is fostering an entire ecosystem where finance and technology don't just coexist. They collaborate and innovate together. What does this mean for you, whether you're a professional, an investor, or just a curious citizen? For professionals in finance, technology, and law, Gift City represents a massive wave of new career opportunities. It's a chance to work on global-scale projects without leaving India. The demand for skilled talent is exploding, creating high-paying jobs and attracting the best minds from around the world. For investors, it opens up a new, simplified gateway to participate in both Indian and global markets. The IFSC allows for a wider range of investment products and services that were previously hard to access from India. It's making global investment more accessible and efficient for everyone. And for India as a whole, Gift City is a powerful engine for economic growth. By attracting foreign investment, creating jobs, and boosting financial services exports, it's strengthening India's position on the global economic map. It's a symbol of a new, confident India, ready to compete and lead in the 21st century. This isn't just a dream on paper. It's happening right now. The city is bustling with activity, new towers are rising, and billions of dollars in transactions are flowing through its systems every single day. We're witnessing the birth of a financial powerhouse that will shape the economic landscape for decades to come. From a bold vision to a thriving reality, GIFT City is more than just India's premier smart city. It is a statement that India is open for business, ready for the future, and building a global financial legacy. The next time you hear about a major international deal or a groundbreaking fintech innovation, don't be surprised if it has roots in this remarkable city in Gujarat. The future of finance is being written, and a significant chapter is unfolding right here in GIFT City. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into one of India's most exciting projects. If you found this interesting and want to learn more about the innovations shaping our world, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.